Okay guys, so we are at the Litaba Hotel. Those are my friends. Are you guys taking pictures? Guys, like, you guys literally have no idea. You guys literally have no idea. Yesterday, we had so much fun with Ntembo and Kateko, but anyway, it's not them Kateko, you all know, but you guys know that song? Should I get a better, dun 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 dun, put a bit of bokeh.
Stop it. Get some help.
Okay, I feel weird and there's a mirror over here and I just looked at myself and I feel like I am, what do you call this? I feel like I'm weird in somewhat way. Anyways, yesterday we had so much fun with me and Tambo and Kateko. We even took photos. I even tried to vlog. I was a good girl yesterday. For you guys, I'm like chatting to Tambo right now. He's like, I'm at work. Ntembo works at a makeup counter store, which I should be working at.
This hot press.
I mean, he can't even do makeup, and I can. Like, I mean, I know so much about makeup, and Ntembo doesn't. But he works at a makeup counter store, and I don't. Like, guys, talk about levels. I'm telling Tembo, if you're watching this, I want some freebies. Like, literally want freebies. Like, honey, I'm your fan. You should be giving me free stuff. But anyway, guys, we had so much fun yesterday. And today, I think I'll be going to the mall because I have to return this jacket. Let me go take it and show you guys. So, this is the jacket I bought. I bought an extra large. Like, what was I thinking? What was I thinking?
What was the reason, bitch?
Oh my word, guys, so I have to like return that jacket today. It's a sweater. I wanted it to be like extra large, but it's too much. I think I might get a medium. And honey, I am a size medium. Please do not mind my stomach. Talk about levels. I look so beautiful. Oh, honey, do you guys want to come to me to the mall? Yeah, I think I might take you. I think I might walk. Because I haven't walked in a while. It's been... No, I did walk this other day to the mall. Who was I with? I was with someone the other day. Who was it? I forgot. What? Oh, Jessica. We walked to the mall and came back to the mall. Oh, thank you, Jess, if you are watching. She won't be watching it. She's such a fake friend. Okay, guys, so let me take a bath. I'm not gonna do my makeup. Honeys, didn't get my nails on. What was that?
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that? Guess what, bitch? Coronavirus!
Shout out to all the guys that lost me because, honey, I am beautiful as fuck, even though I am crusty as fuck.
Period. Period.
Yes. You're unmonetized, honey. One day I will be. No, you aren't. This bitch be up in my head. I'ma fight her. Okay, let's go to the mall. Hey girl, smart. I am right here and we are exchanging the sweater. Guys, look at these lashes. These are the longest lashes I've ever seen. Look at this ones. Oh my word. I think I'm gonna buy them and like try them out. I'll show you guys this when I get home. It's nothing serious. It was on sale. Okay guys, so Superbelly's order just arrived. I'm so tired. I didn't even film. It's like any other unboxing. So let me show you what I got that day at Mr. Price. It's just this shirt. I don't think I'm even gonna wear this. And then a Superbalist order just arrived. You guys should see this, like, honeys. Ah! Okay, so now let's get into the unboxing. Oh. Okay. Oh. So these are some socks I ordered. I'm definitely keeping them. From Essex. Socks again from the other box. Like, each box has its own product. Superbal is just up the game. Okay, Superbalist, you just upped your game. Look at this, I just did a white eyebrow. We're gonna be doing this all the time. Oh my word. I look like a black albino. Remove! This is the second thing we have to unbox. This is the thing I got, guys. I just put my Also Heavenly lotions and some soaps, my Dove soaps and my Dettol soaps, which I really love. The one which are even tone original. I highly recommend it, guys. And here are just my makeup, which I also have to clean, by the way. I have this Photo Candid Revlon. I've had this for more than 2 years and I've never used it ever since then. So some take-a-lot orders just arrived, guys, by the way. It's makeup. Should I unbox this with you? I'm looking a bit crusty and it's another day today and it's so gloomy outside. I don't know if it's gonna rain, but anyways, I just want to open this packages with you guys, which I'm still procrastinating on. Maybe I might show you the products after I've opened them, or let me just unbox it. Just like an unofficial unboxing, because honey, I cannot sit down and like tell you guys why I got this. But anyways, let's just unbox it and see what I did get. Okay guys, so I just finished unboxing everything. I didn't want to show you guys because it wasn't, I was like bored. So I got this Revlon Color Stay Concealer. I just love it because it's a great highlighter. Even though it settles into your skin, I love to lay it over other foundations because it doesn't oxidize, or it just stays that way for such a long time. And it was on sale. I think it was about 160, so I just got it, and it's $225 that concealer, so I got a good deal on it. And then the Smashbox concealers, I got 3 different shades. Smashbox concealers are so expensive. I think I got this for like $320 each, which that's a total estimate of $960. And honey, I'm so sorry, but I'm just so tired. That's a lot of money. I got 2 foundations from Smashbox and another one right here. 3 foundations, which were about $500. They were on sale from $650. It's just so expensive. And this was also on sale for $115, I think. And then I got like 1 because I love to use it as a contour color because it oxidizes. Like Fit Me foundation always oxidizes on me and on everyone, like, I swear, trust me. And I also got the MAC Studio Fix powder, cream to powder tech foundation. I really just love that foundation so much. And then like that's all I got. But I also got 2 things. This is just some universal clips for I don't know from where, but I got it on Take-A-Lot. And then the Smashbox Halo powder, it's opened, it's spilled everywhere, so I'm just taking it back. It's not necessary for me to, and I'm just glad that it was opened because that powder isn't for me. It's too light. Good riddance. Okay guys, Ntembo is taking me out for lunch. He just invited me out, and so I want to get ready. Guys, this is my bag collection. Yeah, I sold most of my bags last year, but anyways, taking me out for lunch. I'm just lying, I don't have any money. So we were supposed to go out. I was waiting for a refund, and then the refund didn't even clock in. 3 to 5 working days, guys. Like, what's happening? What's happening?
What's wrong with you, bro? What the heck?
I need Obama's number right now. I know he's not a president, but I know he knows something. I need to know when am I gonna leave this misery? Because I cannot fucking live like this. Like me, I like to go out and sit down and eat.
But anyways, we are going out. Okay, so now we are at Nando's with Ntembo. So I told you guys that they're taking me out and we're just having a little Sunday brunch or lunch, but it's almost nighttime now, so I think it's a little dinner. I look like a ghost. This is why I never do my makeup in front of a mirror and natural light. My word, look at this stomach. Okay, we annihilated the food the way I am so full. Oh, so there's this guy. So like he came in and he took us pictures right from over there. So like Nsembo is happy because
My friend.
no, you are happy because you got taken pictures by someone you don't even know. Like, dude, the guy doesn't even know us and you are happy. What the fuck is wrong with you? Oh my word, guys are gonna kill you. Men will be the death of you, my friend. Or am I lying?
Loko nga dlayiwe kokwani loko nga ri kokwani wa munhu va nga ta ni dlaya ne.
No, Ntembo sometimes can be so disgusting.
Tonani munhu leriwa it's a bad guys.
Okay guys, so I just came back home. The way it's so cold here in Guyana, it's so different. I really can't like live like this, guys. It's so cold. I was like wondering how will I survive in Switzerland? Like, honey, me and Sambo and Kateko, we ended up going to Mangombe. It's a place right here in Guyana where they sell meat. We didn't even like stay so long. I think maybe like 30 minutes, and then we went to a friend's house and we like stayed there for like 10 to 20 minutes just to greet her because I hadn't seen her in a long time. Since the 1st of January. That's all we did. Like today there was nothing interesting. Per child. This video has to end here. I'm sorry for the 12 minutes, but honeys, just tell me if you guys want to see more because honeys, I really do love vlogging. Until next time, I don't know when I'll be posting another vlog. I will try to vlog. You guys just like are just not watching. Please make me famous. Please. Make sure to like and subscribe, whatever those typical vloggers tell you to do. Yeah. Until next time.